lunchtime I hurt my finger.
I'll take you to sick bay. Okay.
We always go to sick bay with a buddy. First, you have to see Debbie in the office.
Hi, girls. How can I help you?
She hurt her finger.
Oh, no. Would you like to come on into the sick bay and we can get it all fixed up for you? Okay, thank you for bringing her along. You can head back to class and you can come and sit. Okay?
Debbie's really nice.
Yeah? Take a seat. Oh, yes.
She always knows what to do.
Won't hurt, I promise it won't hurt. I'm just going to go around it very gently. Like that.
I get a special plaster.
This is a special one for fingers and toes. Like that, how's that? All right. Should we put a bit of ice around it just to cool it down and put it's all better?
The ice pack is so cold. I like the toys in the sick bay.
Right, let's check on that finger. Oh, that looks all good to go. Okay, you can head back to class now. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, Debbie. Bye-bye.